Let's cook around the world, and today's recipe is scrambled eggs. I've tried many different recipes for making scrambled eggs over the years, and I can honestly say this is probably one of the simplest and the best that I've ever come across. So, into a cold pan, add the fat of your choice. I prefer butter, but this works equally well with either olive oil or even coconut oil. Next, add the eggs and turn your pan on to low to medium heat. I prefer my heat to be on the low side. This allows me to better control the cooking process. Continue to stir until the butter is melted and small curds start to form. This may take a minute or two depending on your heat. From time to time, it may be necessary to remove the pan from the heat, especially if the eggs start to solidify at the bottom. Just take the pan off the heat. Mix well until everything is amalgamated back into the mixture. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add these near the end to maximize the flavor. Try not to add them earlier as it breaks down the eggs. I like my eggs on the soft side, so to me this is done. Don't forget the eggs will continue to cook with the residual heat, so take them off earlier rather than later. Serve either with a baguette or some crusty bread. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment to let me know how you got on, or if you have any feedback. Well, until next time, and as my friends say in Spain, buen provecho.